Good day, grade 7. I am teacher Ira and I will be your math teacher. For today's lesson, our topic is all about sets. Now, let's define sets. Sets are the term used in mathematics which means the collection of any objects or collection. Moreover, sets is well-defined collection of objects. So, kitchen is the most relevant example of sets in real life. Since in our kitchen, the plates are kept separately from bowls and cups. Then the sets of similar utensils are kept separately. Another example is your school bags. Because your school bags, there are usually division of it, where the sets of notebooks and textbook are kept separately. Last and another example is when we go shopping in a mall. We all have noticed that there are separate portions for each kind of things. For instances, clothing shops are on another floor whereas the food court is at another part of the mall. Okay? So now, let's have another example. Set of animals. Okay? Like for example, we have cats, dog, lion, and rabbit. Okay? Next, we also have set of vowels in English alphabet, which is A, E, I, O, and U. How about set of even numbers? Okay, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. In here, we have elements, the individual objects in a set. Okay, elements is separate by commas within braces. So we're going to use braces and commas. Like for instance, from the set of animals, our elements is cat, dog. As you can see, we use braces and comma. Lion and rabbit. So we have 4 elements in set of animals. We have cat, dog, lion, and rabbit. Sets are denoted by capital letter. As you can see, we have set of animals, wherein set of animals is also equal to A. So set A, you can read it as set A, or the set of animals is equal to cat, dog, lion, and rabbit. Okay, next. Set of vowels in English alphabet is equal to V, wherein it is set V, capital letter V. So, set V is equal to A, E, I, O, and U. And set of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. If we are given a set and an element, we will know for sure whether the element belongs to the set. So, like for example, in set of animals, cat is an element of set A, since in set A we have cat. Next, set of vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U. So, A is an element of set B, since in set B we have A. Okay, next, set of even numbers. We have E is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So 2 is an element of E, 4 is an element of E, 6 is an element of E, 8 is an element of E, and 10 is also element of E. There are 3 ways to define sets. The first one is listing of elements. A set can be defined by listing all its elements. Like for example, we have set C. Set C is a set of consonants in English alphabet. The answers are B, C, D, F, G,
H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You need to be patient in listing all the elements. Next, we have set E, set of vowels in the word Euclid. What are the vowels in the word Euclid? Okay, the answers are E, U, and I. L and D are not included because they are not vowels. They are consonants. Next, let's have the set E. Set E is equal to positive even numbers less than 13. The answers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. They are all even numbers because they are all divisible by 2. And they are all less than 13. 14 is not included since it is greater than 13. Okay? Next. The second way to define a set is description of elements. A set can be defined by describing its elements clearly. In instances where it is not possible to list all the elements of a set, we can define the set by describing its elements clearly. Like for example, we have set D, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What is the best word to describe all the given elements? Okay, so D is days of a week. Next, how about C? We have red, yellow, and blue. What is the best word to describe all the given elements? Okay, so set C is primary color because red, yellow, and blue are the three primary colors. In set language, the Greek letter epsilon means an element of. So like for example, we have set C, red, yellow, and blue. Red is an element of C, yellow is an element of C, and blue is an element of C. But green is not an element of C since green is not listed to all elements in set C. The set that we discussed so far have at least one element in each of them. However, there are some sets that do not contain any element at all, and that is null set. We have a given set B months of the year with exactly 27 days. This one is an example of a null set since there is no month that exactly 27 days. So B is a null set. Next, let's have set C, negative numbers greater than 1. Set C is also a null set because all negative numbers are less than 1. Let's have the equal set. Given we have set E, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And set F, we have 3, 2, 1, 5, and 4. And set K, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. And set L, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Set E is equal to set F since set E and F contain exactly the same elements. We say E is equal to F and we write like this one. This example, the order in which the elements appear in the set is not important. Let's have K. K is not equal to L because K and L do not contain exactly the same elements. As you can see, in set L, we have 10. But in set K, we don't have 10. Therefore, K is not equal to L. The third and the last way to define a set is by using a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a diagram that shows all the possible logical relationship between a finite collection of different sets. Given a rectangle, the rectangle contains set X and set Y. All set that contains n discussion is what we call the universal set. Given a set X and Y,
In X, we have A, B, and C, and Y, we have D and E. The two sets do not contain any common element, so we say that the two sets are disjoint set. So set X and set Y are disjoint set. Let's have the difference of set. Given a universal set which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set B is 3, 4, and 5. The difference of the two sets A minus B is the set of the elements in A without in elements of B. So A minus B, since 3, 4, and 5 in A are also in B, therefore A minus B is 1 and 2. As you can see, 6 is outside of the circle because it is the only number in universal set that set A and B do not contain. And we also have a subset. B is subset of A since all the elements in set B are on set A. But B is not equal to A because B only has 3 elements, which is 3, 4, and 5, and set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, it's time for your drill or your ILT, your independent learning time. Bring out your books. Then answer page 6, exercise 1A basic level. And we will check it all together to our next Zoom Live. So if you have any question, just message me on my Genio account. So let's call it a day. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, grade 7. Happy learning.